Hello everyone, this is Franco here and welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will teach you how you can get unlimited access of Midjourney without even paying a single penny. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So first, you need to open Google Chrome, then come right here, click New Incognito window. Then simply type Google. Then come here and type Midjourney. Click here, join the beta. Give a username, I'm gonna type Franco. You can type anything you want, then click here. Then you just have to simply verify yourself that you are a human. I'm gonna verify. Give your birth date. Then whenever this pops up, you just need to simply click here. And voila, you are done. So guys, this was our today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Take care. Peace out.